Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Mandy and this is Living Life Within a Budget. Today we have a big Temu haul. All Christmas gifts that I've bought. This big. Let's get into it. So the first item that we have here is actually a little plushie, and it's a capybara. My one son is very obsessed with these right now, so I figured this would be a great little, even at the top of his stocking, just to have a capybara out of it. It's gonna be so cute. And he's very plump. Now he is a little smaller than I thought he was going to be. I thought he was gonna be like this big. Not a big deal. My son is still gonna love it, so. Okay, and next item. One box got extremely crushed and one did not, but I got two of the same item. And this is the crushed box. But my one son asked me for this, so I figured both of them would enjoy it. But it's a game system type of thing. You have to pop out for the buttons. You pop them all in. And it also lights up like for different like positions they have to do it. But one is a pink hamster and then the other one is the brown hamster just shown on the box there. They're gonna really enjoy those. Kind of upset that the one box came so crushed, but I can probably fix it a bit or just get a different box for it. It's not that big of a deal. Next item we have here is actually for my youngest son to go with his pin board that you may have seen in my last video. But it's an Adventure Time pin. And it has all the little characters there. He's gonna really like that. Okay, next is, I believe this was 24 pieces. You guys will see on the screen how many pieces it was. But it is just a clay set. My son really likes clay, so I figured that this little set would give him a lot more colors, and this is air dry clay. Now it did come with two tools here. One little scraper tool that has a ball bearing on the end. And then one little knife scraper with another type of end, but that one has, looks like it's supposed to be a hole, but it's not. That's okay, that's fixable. And then it has all of these, oh, and there's another tool. This is like a little scooper thing. And these aren't they're very flimsy tools. Like they're not the best quality, but that's okay. He has his own tools. But it's just a whole bunch of baggies and it's air dry clay. And you've got all the colors of the rainbow there. He's gonna really like that. Okay, next is another stuffy, but for my other son. And apparently this guy's name is Noob, but he's from Roblox. My one son actually added him to my cart without me knowing, so I figured if he wanted it that bad, he must want it for Christmas. He's actually a really good quality. I have seen some people online open this guy and he's been ripped, but there's no rips in his seams or anything, so he's very plush as well. And next is another plushie. This is going to be for my niece. But it is a nice little penguin. He's very fluffy and very cute and very pudgy. He's got a little bit of a messed up face, but I can fix that. There. It's a great stuffy for her. And this is actually to go along with my niece's stuffy. But she really wanted a pair of knee-high black and white striped socks. And that's literally just what these are. They should go up to the knee. And they're very stretchy, extremely stretchy. And they feel very comfortable as well. They're very comfy inside. I like those. They remind me of Beetlejuice. Okay, and next is something for my granddaughter. I don't know if it's gonna work right out of the packaging or if I need to add batteries. No, I need to add batteries. I believe it takes AA, but it's a little controller type thing. And it plays music when she pushes the buttons. It'll make like fake phone calls. It's a little bunny rabbit. I thought she's going to love that. That's really cool. Maybe I'll pop a video in there of what those sounds and stuff do once I put batteries in it. Okay, and next was like a 23-piece set. So I got these as stocking stuffers. I can open one of them to show you what they are. But it's 23 of these, and they're mystery bags. And you get little animals in them. I'll keep this one. It's a little duck. But every animal in each bag is different. So those are really cool. I thought my boys would really like those. And you get 23 of them. And for the price, they're great stocking stuffers. Okay, next is a tin sign. This is for my youngest son. Now, as you may know from the last video, he is gotten into Adventure Time really big, and he really wanted some tin signs, and I got him this one. It's really good quality. And because I had so much things in this package, they didn't really come bent, thankfully. And another tin sign here. Now this is going to be for my stepdaughter. But it is Nezuko. I believe I'm saying that right, but it's from Demon Slayer. But it's a tin sign. She's going to really like this. I like the colors on it too. Like, I'm not an anime fan much per se, but I like the colors of the choices of this one. There was a lot to choose from actually for Demon Slayer signs on Temu. Okay, and next is an item for my husband. Now, I was so excited to be able to get this, and it is knockoff, and you can tell in just a second. But we have the Breaking Bad Walter White and Jesse Pinkman. And they do have their yellow suits and their buildable brick heads. There's 401 pieces. Now, it's supposed to be Breaking Bad. It says Break Bad. So you can tell they're knockoff, but my husband's not going to care. They're really cool, and he loves that show. It's going to be awesome. Okay. And next is an item that my older son wanted really badly. Really into these 3D printed items lately. I don't know why. I mean, they're cool, but I don't know why there's such a new fascination with them. But this is a Perry the Platypus inspired, not actual, 3D printed toy. And it also comes with this little hat. And there's like a piece of tape in there to tape it onto his head. My son is going to love that. I guess they are kind of satisfying. It's one of the top things on his list, surprisingly. So I'm really glad to have gotten that. It came in its own little box to wrap it in and everything. And so it didn't get broken, which I'm about to do. So I'm going to fiddle with that later. Okay. Next is an item from my stepdaughter. Which is also Demon Slayer. This is a charm bracelet, and it has all the characters there. She is going to adore that. And it is adjustable. You can choose the size that you want it to be for around your wrist. She is going to love that. And the detail on these is not bad, actually. Like, it really does look like the characters. Mind you, I've never watched the show, but I've researched it enough for gifts that I do know what they look like. That is really amazing. She's going to love that. Making sure. Okay, so the next few items here you may have seen in a few videos ago that I was doing a marijuana themed basket for some people, and I am still doing that. So the next few items are going to be marijuana themed. I do not usually support this on my channel, but it is for Christmas, so let's get into it. So first thing that we have here is two little pipes. And they're like a hooter pen, like a one hit. And they have the groove for the lips. And it's a metal bowl piece that does screw out to be for easier cleaning. Ooh, horrible sound. And that is awesome. That'll be perfect for like on the go. And there's two of the exact same ones. Okay, and next is actually a container to hold joints and a lighter. As you can see, the lighter goes in here, and then you can have 2 of those rolled. And I figured this would be perfect for on the go because it's nice and easy and to put in a pocket. And I got the color green because it's going to hold green. Okay, and next item we have here, I can open it, is actually a metal grinder for herbs. And it has all these trippy mushrooms all over it. I thought that was really cool. And it has all the metal teeth there. And it has 4 layers. And then it comes the bottom layer with the screen and then the scraper as well. And it's perfect, again, to go. Last item that we have here is some marijuana themed stickers. And I believe I got a 50 pack. Yeah, 50. We have smiley face, a monkey. I'm not going to go through all of these, just the first couple. Oh, that one's really cool. It's an alien on a ball. Then you have some basic ones that are just the leaves. I'm not even going to say anything, but that's funny. But I figured that these would be a great throw-in for the basket. And there you have everything that we got from Temu today. Do you think I did good Christmas shopping? Because that was a lot to go through, and I think all my children are going to just be ecstatic, and everybody else that I bought them for. It's such great deals to get all of these things on Temu. I can't believe it. What was your favorite item? Let me know in the comments below. If you'd like to join up to Temu, make sure that you click the affiliate link that's in the description box of this video. That link could get you up to $100 off when you first sign up to Temu. I am not sponsored by any means. This is all on my own dime to get my own kids' Christmas gifts. Just doing it on a budget. Make sure that you like that video, and I hope you guys all have a beautiful day. Bye.